Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're good and welcome to our channel Tech 9N. And today in this video I'm going to tell you how can we disable the touch screen function from our laptop. Okay, I have a Lenovo ThinkPad X250 laptop here and which is touch screen as you can see, and its touch is currently working. Yeah, and if I don't want its touch function to be enabled, okay, I'm going to tell you that it's quite easy. And for this you need to go to device manager by right clicking on the start menu, and there you can see human interface devices, and as you click on it you can see SIT complaint touch screen. Yeah, and this is the touch screen function driver. And to disable this, just right click on it and click on disable device, and it will show us a warning window. Just click on yes, and now the touch screen is disabled. And in the same way we can enable this touch screen. Okay, and it's quite easy. And friends, this was for today. This short tutorial, I hope this one is useful for you. So please like this video and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications. Okay, please help me grow this channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Bye bye.